What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to get the golden Halloween theme Instagram notes. For that the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Before getting started, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search Instagram. So once you search Instagram, make sure that your app is up to date. So what you have to do, if there is an update, go ahead and update the app. So once you will update the app, what you have to do is to go back to the application right over here. So go and open up your Instagram application. So once you are in the Instagram application, go to the Messenger tab, and in the Messenger, go to your notes. So open up your notes, add a word like pumpkin, ghost, or costume, something like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type in ghost. So once I'll share that note, the note color will be turned into a Halloween theme. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.